Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is Britt-Marie Was Here by Frederick Backman. And if you read My Grandmother Asked Me to Tell You She's Sorry, you have met this character, Britt-Marie, and she is kind of insufferable, but by the end of that book, you kind of have a little bit of a soft spot for her. So you are going to love this book about Britt-Marie. It really delves into her character and you understand her so well by the end of this book. I could not stand Britt-Marie, and once I got into this book, I remembered why. And she's kind of so annoying, but once you've gotten into this book, you really just grow to love Britt-Marie and see her develop as a character. It is such a rewarding read, and I really, really love this book. Frederick Backman is my absolute favorite author of all time, and I feel like everything he writes really just gets into your soul, and this book is no exception to that. I absolutely love it. I think it is a must read if you love his work, and I highly, highly recommend reading this book. And that's my point of view.